Namun Satkerti Lokal Bali melalui pola pembangunan semesta berencana menuju Bali era baru. Om Swastiastu. Welcome to my video with me, Eka. In this video, we are going to learn about personal letter. Now, we are going to talk about social function, generic structure, and example of a personal letter. We start from social function. The social function of this letter is to express about personal feelings, personal thought, and personal experience. Next, generic structure. Do you know the generic structure of personal letter? Well, first, heading. Second, salutation. Third, body. Fourth, complimentary clause. And the last, signature. Heading. Heading consists of address of writer and the date of writing. For example, Nangka Street, number 10. And for the date, July 10th, 2019. Next, salutation. It is an introductory phrase. For example, dear friend, dear Coman, and dear Clarissa. Body. It is the main part of the letter. It includes what you want to write to the reader. For example, next, complimentary clause. It is farewell praise which precedes nature and followed by comma. For example, yours truly, sincerely yours, regards, and etc. The last one is signature. It is a place where you write your name and also your signature. Wow, now I'll give you the examples of personal letters. Please take a look at this. Well, now do you understand about personal letters? Okay, thank you for watching, and then don't forget to watch the next video. Goodbye. Om Santi Santi Santi.